I am the future of CF Industries.
I am the future.
I am the future of CF Industries.
I am the future.
Our engineering co-op students are the future of CF Industries. My name is Nick DeRose, General Manager of the Portnell Nitrogen Complex. CF Industries started in 1946 as a cooperative, actually known as Central Farmers. We're now North America's largest nitrogen fertilizer producer. Well, nitrogen fertilizer is primarily known as anhydrous ammonia, urea, ammonium nitrate, or UAN, which is a liquid blend of urea and ammonium nitrate. And those are the commonly used fertilizer products. So we're a key part of an industry that is helping sustain a growing population. CF Industries feeds the world. In our plants, we have very complicated processes, very similar to petrochemical or refining operations. We have steam methane reformers that manufacture the hydrogen that we need to ultimately make the ammonia molecule. We have a number of distillation units and solvent units, then a variety of reactors that are used. In order to optimize and operate the complex processes that we have, we need people that have the potential to be the best, that can be involved in our program and develop while we get to know them as well. The disciplines that we're looking for in CF Industries are electrical engineers, chemical engineers, mechanical engineers, and then environmental sciences. CF's approach to its co-op program is we have a robust team, resources dedicated to recruiting top schools, trying to find top talent. We need top intelligent people to fill positions, the engineers, operations supervisors. We need the best in the business to operate our facilities. At our plants, we want reliability, operational excellence, and safety to be our top priorities. We put a lot of emphasis on doing things right, which is a company motto shown on my shirt here. We want to make sure that we do it right in all aspects. Safety is our top priority as a company and at our facilities. Safety is not only on site, but within the communities that we operate. So putting our fellow employees and ourselves first is the most important thing that we can do to keep us safe. Reliability goes hand in hand with safety. Plants that stay online, operate reliably, tend to be safe plants. So we strive for operational excellence in our plants as well.
My name is Boucher and I go to Purdue University. What you learn in school obviously is very theoretical, but through my internship here at CF, you really get to see kind of hands-on how that applies and how the math and science behind it really works. Currently, I'm working on safe operating conditions and limits. And so basically, the current system is sort of difficult for the operators to use. You guys had any problems lately?
Yeah, actually we have.
It's mainly just kind of a list of things that could happen and they really have to pick through it and it's hard to really follow. And so currently I'm working to reformat that and make it easier for the operators to use. And I'm going through the process hazard analysis. You follow a specific pipeline throughout the plant, and so you need to highlight and trace the line that you're focusing on so you can know what units it goes through, what vessels it goes through, and then you can analyze the pipe itself or the actual vessels.
It's a critical element of process engineering for chemical engineers. So we have co-ops refreshing these P&IDs and PFDs as the plants have changed, and that's a significant contribution for the future of the plant.
I would definitely encourage Purdue students to get a co-op at CF just based on how much exposure they're going to get to projects, a lot of hands-on work, and I think it really would be a benefit to their coursework.
My name is Jacqueline Holt. I'm currently a junior in chemical engineering at Iowa State University. I'm working on a few projects during my time here. The biggest project that I'm working on is the acid in the Westline Pond. Currently the pH of the stream is too basic because there's ammonia in it and it's causing an odor that people are reporting not ideal. So we're going to be using a clamp-on flow meter to get what the general flow is, a baseline flow, into that stream.
The co-ops that join our teams have the opportunity to be fully immersed in our culture and what we make as our priorities. And we want to be recognized as an industry leader in our responsibility towards environmental compliance and stewardship.
I figured that since I was a junior in chemical engineering that I would be given things that no one else really wanted to do, to be honest. But that's been the complete opposite of my experience here. I've been given jobs that any other project engineer could be doing here that they specifically assigned for me. And and it's a good feeling. I've really enjoyed what I've been doing here, and I'm actually hoping to come back next summer, maybe to a different CF plant doing different projects.
The rotational co-op assignments give the co-ops an opportunity to experience the cultures at our various sites. We have plants in the South, in the North, and the Midwest, and each of them are unique and different.
The work is challenging, but it is exciting too. It's the perfect amount of excitement and keeps me on my toes.
I'm Renee Reston from Iowa State University. I'm majoring in mechanical engineering. I'm definitely a hands-on learner, and it's nice coming here because all of my projects exist in the field, so I can go out and look at them, and I can talk to the people that know about them.
Mechanical engineers are critical in reliability of our plants and continuing the mechanical integrity programs that we have in our plants.
One of the projects I'm working on is installing variable frequency drives on 3 of our motors. One of the motors that is currently running in the plant runs more often than it needs to, and if a variable frequency drive was installed, you could back it down when it's not needed as much, and that would save energy in the long run. The project mainly consists of, right now, doing energy studies on them to see if it would be feasible because it's an expensive installation.
We strive to make the co-op assignments meaningful, and they contribute significantly to our day-to-day operations. We want the employees that come to our team to really be challenged and feel like they grew while they were here.
It's nice to know that I'm working on actual projects that are going to have an impact rather than just busy work or something that's just done so that I can know the process.
My name is Beshara Nothot. I go to school at Georgia Tech. At CF, the great thing is I get to work on a lot of different projects under engineers in maintenance, operations, and engineering. And that's how the engineers work. They don't really stay confined to one department, and they get a chance to work with everything.
I like to challenge the co-ops. I was a co-op in another company, and my whole summer was kind of doing nothing. With CF, we want them to be active on the projects.
I've worked on gas sensors and alarms. That's been the best part about working here. Whatever projects we do, we really touch upon the safety aspect at the very first moment. A lot of my projects have been in relation to safety.
Safety instrumented systems continue to develop, and having engineers that can keep our plants reliable and at the state-of-art technology and the process controls and safety instrumented systems is critical.
To my friends in college, I would say that at CF, you really see what you'll be doing as a chemical engineer, to work at a place where people are competent, people are professional, and most of all, they really look out for each other.
My name is Sarah Courier. I go to Georgia Tech. I'm a second-year student. So when I came here, I received a list of about 20 projects from my supervisor. He said, just pick about 8 or 10 of these projects, see what you figure out for them, go out in the field, get the parameters, and if you have any questions, come to me, but these are your projects. And I was pretty surprised by that because I didn't expect to get that much responsibility.
It's important when co-ops come to our site that we treat them like professionals. They are attached to a mentor or a supervisor that is assuring that they have the ability to ask questions and get direction while they're doing their assignments.
I'm in this control room a lot, actually. Hey Bert, what is this pressure here? I'm excited to come to work every day because I'm doing things that matter. My project that I saw all the way through, it's cation specific conductivity meter. We had it put on our main surface condenser, which has steam condensate on one side and well water on the other side. So what this will do is, hey, we have a leak, the conductivity is rising, we need to plug that tube. It saves the turbines. The turbines are worth millions of dollars. I'm really glad I got this co-op position because it gave me a chance to see what being a chemical engineer is really like in the real world. And now I'm more confident in this is the right major for me.
I feel part of my role as a general manager is to get to know the co-ops personally. At the end of their terms, they give a presentation sharing the accomplishments, the contributions that they've made, and that's another good opportunity to get to know them personally. It's an exciting time at CF Industries. The co-ops that we hire help lay the groundwork for the future. They're intimately involved in our expansion projects, and they are our future leaders.
I am the future of CF Industries.
I am the future of CF Industries.
Our co-ops are the future of CF Industries.